Hello and welcome to nobrokerage.com. So today we have Shraddha Horaria ma'am with us, who is the founder of Dosti, and we would like to question her and know more about their group. Hello ma'am. Hi. Thank you so much for your time. The first question would be like, can I know more about Dosti, your vision, when was the group founded?
Sure. So this group has been founded by my grandfather, and we have been it since the past 40 years. And it's actually been a very commendable journey, because we all started small, started scratch, and today we are at this very big volume and vision out here. It was started by my grandfather, then my father took it over, and he was the man and the vision behind the entire Dosti, which is at this place. And I can say that we started off with tiny buildings in and around Mumbai and Maharashtra. And today we focus on building townships, high-rise. We are like eventually venturing out into retail, into data centers, into commercial spaces. Yeah, so we are present all around. We are present in Mumbai, Thane, Pune, practically all of Maharashtra. And we have some presence in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are looking to expand in and around, all around India. So yeah, the team is currently working on just a lot of expansions. We're currently focusing a lot on redevelopments, both Society 33/7, 33/9 and the SRA, which is the 33/11 model, and 33/10 model. And yes, that is just it.
And ma'am, looking at the years of experience you have, I would really like to ask you, what advice would you give to our viewers who are first-time home buyers or who are looking to invest in any of the projects?
The biggest advice I would tell anybody that there's no actual time. The time is now. Now is the right time to invest either on a property for yourself or even for a all out, like, if you want to buy a house for yourself. Now is the time, because economies keep changing, premium rates keep going up and going down based on the economy, and you cannot predict sometimes with the worldwide situation on how things go around. So I would say this is exactly the time to invest. Another thing, 3-4 things are required when you're looking to buy a home. Firstly, you go based on the developer, the transparency of the developer. Secondly, you go placed on the timeline. What is the timeline that he's going to be giving you till the time you get your possession. You take a good look on the RERA website at the RERA dates and the deadlines, and at the same time have a good word with the developer's team to get you in confidence that you will be getting your property on the right time. You'll be getting your possession at the right time. Thirdly, I would say location plays a very big role in determining your factor to buy a house, because an ideal location is something very important given the infrastructure and the expansion in and around Maharashtra, to be honest. And I would say culture, all these other things play in here or there, but these are the 3 main things that are required.
Thank you so much for your advice, ma'am. It was really lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Likewise. Thank you.
Dosti has a lot of projects going on, and if you're interested in any of them, then please call on the number given below. And all the information के लिए please visit nobrokerage.com.